Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your PropStream account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you search properties in PropStream by address? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to search properties in PropStream by address anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running around the neighborhood and you see a potential property, you want to be sure to check it in PropStream, but you don't want to pull a whole list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PropStream account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my PropStream and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to search a property by address, up here on the top left, you're going to see the search bar. Now you can see you can enter a county, city, zip code. Don't worry about that. You can actually just enter in the address itself. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay. As you start to type in an address, it's going to pop up right here. So you just click on the address. Okay. Once you do that, it's going to pull up all the properties in that particular area. Also, if you're typing in the address and it doesn't show up, try a different variation of that address. So for example, right here, it says SE. If it doesn't pop up, try typing out southeast, or right here how it says, sometimes you have to type it out all the way, STREET, and just keep trying different variations until it pops up. Okay, so once you have the address over here to the right, you're going to click on details. Okay, once you click there, it's going to show more information about that particular property. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to search properties in PropStream by an address, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.